flexible. The handwheel can adjust saw wheel. Saw, saw wheel below heavy, above light. Turn up more inertia. It's lubricating to lubricate the saw cutter, flexing, slide.
Hi, I'm Gloria from Sawmill-World. This is our vertical band saw. This saw has the loading platform and the carriage and our cutter head. For this machine, it is casting, so it has high quality and long using life. For this cutter head, we have the protection cover, and if you have need, we can add the free foundation for you. Here we will add a weight device to protect the saw blade, make it more flexible, extend the using life. Here we can add the lubricating oil to maintain the machine, and for this machine we can use the carbide blade and the normal blade. This machine we can use the hand wheel to make the saw head up and down. And we had the platform for it. If you have need, we can adjust the diameter of the saw wheel. The diameter of the saw wheel can be 800 millimeter, 1000 millimeter, and 900 millimeter, and the width of the saw blade is about 125 millimeter.